Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today here at E-Trade, and we're focused on this number, negative 1551. Alright, we're trying to make that positive. Oh, and also make the total gain positive, okay? Don't get me wrong. But, market's up today. Probably a good day to sell cash covered put. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to trade option Cleveland Cliffs. If you guys been following me for a while, I like Cleveland Cliffs a lot. And looks like we're getting some good premium here at 20 bucks. So I want to sell that. I'm just going to say, let's do this at the market. Make it easy today. We're getting good premiums. All right. Do it. 100 bucks. Boom, baby. Okay, let's go back. And you can see this number's changed a little. Now, maybe tomorrow we'll sell another one. Let's see what the market does. Okay? Let's not get greedy. Remember? Don't get greedy. Pigs get fat. Hogs get slaughtered. Okay. So be sure you guys subscribe, and you can learn how to do this too, from the comfort of your own home or on a beach. Alright guys, thanks for watching.